Hello everyone. Welcome to the part 3 of our dating series, dating social networking series. And in part 3, we are going to start working on our registration process. Okay, so in part 3 uh, of dating series, we are going to start working on user registration process. Okay, so before starting this process, we must know that what exactly we are doing means what kind of website we are making, what kind of features we are going to launch in this website, because it will be more clear to us that what's our objective, what's our purpose of making this website, what we want to achieve. Okay, so that basic idea, basic overview, basic blueprint that must be in your mind before starting this website. Okay, so what we want to do exactly and what features we will try. Okay, so these are I'm going to explain the basic features. Okay, so uh, we must first know uh, exactly what we are going to do in our dating website and which features we are going to cover. Features we are going to cover. Okay. So in the beginning, we will not go that much deeper, and we will cover all basic features. Okay, we will cover all uh, basic features and and uh, and in the beginning we will cover all the basic features. Okay, so what we are going to see first, we will start with our user registration process. Okay, user registration process we are going to study, and in this what we are going to do, see, we can have the some tables, like users table we are having. Okay, we can have some tables like users details. Okay, so might be more, but but what we will do, we will add the basic information in users table and more detail in users detail table, and we have the forms like first we will ask the basic information like username, password, name, username, password, and after that we will ask for much more information. Okay, and I will also give you example. Actually, I will give you example. 10 years back, I have made a website uh, that is govru.in. Uh, uh, See, I have made a website 10 years back, and that at that time it was really famous. But now, now no one use, no very less crowd in it. But see, I have covered the basic features in core PHP. So again, we what we can do, we can make such kind of website covering all the basic features so that we can learn Laravel properly. We will not go that much deeper like Facebook. Okay, Facebook is like too much for us, but we will try to cover all basic features. Like here I have done, I will tell you that new user for, see, this is the basic form. Okay, see, this is the basic form that we want to do, like choose a username, choose a password, retype your password, your email address. Okay, so this is kind of form that we are going to use uh, for our registration process. Okay, so like here what I am going to do, I am going to make uh, new profile like Amit underscore Diana. Okay, so see, the username is free. See, this kind of feature, but we will start with basic form. Then later on we will make it bit more advanced. Okay, and means we are going to slowly but surely we will make the features more advanced. But starting with the basic level of form, not that much Ajax. Like here, I have done in Ajax. I used to check in Ajax that if it is already there, see the selected username is not available. So if it is already there, then it will not allow to subscribe. It will tell us earlier. So this kind of feature we will also add in future, but now we will do this basic kind of form. Okay, now see here, 1 2 5. You can try this website and can have the basic view of the feature. Your mail ID you can give, and that when you will do, then you will reach the next page. Next page is having all the information to fill, like profile created by a relationship, name, age, gender, height, marital status, children, body type, everything you can fill here. Okay, this kind of form we will also make in the second step. Okay, but in the first step we will make that username, password, and name only. Okay, here name also in second step. So you have seen that so much information is coming in second step. Uh, and if you log in again, you can you can sign out and can log in again, and then again you need to add this form. Okay, so this kind of thing we will do, see, in registration process. And uh, see then see user registration process we will do at front end. Okay, and then this same process, user registration, uh, users users view, that all view, edit, and approval as well. Approval will be from admin panel, so that all will come at admin front backend. Okay, and see, and after that we are also going to do like any user can come and search the profiles and will contact the profiles. Okay, then see, any see search user profiles and contact user profiles. We will give videos on it, so that everything, user profiles, online user profiles. Okay, chat. Okay, see, all the features we are going to cover. And email responses, the coming like emails responses. Okay, can see messages or can send receive messages. And so invite friends also. See, you can invite your friends also to come. Okay, send the message on mobile as well. Okay, so we will cover all the basic feature one by one. And you can view here that, see, view online profiles, view random profiles, view photo profiles. Okay, you can have a view, you can view this website for more details. And you can have view, we will make the website like this. So uh, in this video, what we will do, we will start with the basic register form. Okay, so we will do basic register form. And see here, I have changed the matrix segment to dating admin panel, that you can also do. And see, I have made changes there. You can find F, and this one I have set image here, dating admin panel. Yeah, this is the image. page admin login, and see, here I have changed in admin login. You can also change the name yourself. Dating admin panel. I have written here dating admin panel. So you can also change the name of your admin, and after that you can log in. And here also I have changed the logo. Logo I have changed this one, and this one is the file I have changed. I think mm, admin panel. Okay. Sometimes it really gives you a tough time to find out. Yeah, let's see. Okay. Image here, under background, front end images under background, under BG. Okay, sorry. What I am doing uh, such. See, logo.png I have replaced in backend images, so you can also do that thing. Okay, sorry for that. I am keep checking front end images folder, but I am just want to see the admin images folder. Sometimes it happens, but we have to ignore and move on. So see, now what we are going to do, we are going to work on a registration form, and the basic form we will do, not that much complex, simple registration form. We will make it more means more advanced later on. So here we will start with the simple registration form. Okay, so our first step is to register the user with name. We can take name as well, name, username, name, and password. Even you can do with username and password only. Okay, and in second step, uh, we will ask the user to fill dating form. Okay, so let's start with the first step. Okay, for basic registration form, we need to follow the steps. Uh, so first of all, we will create users controller. Okay, this we require. Uh, so we will create. It's simple, like we used to do always. PHP artisan make controller. users controller. Okay, this one created. So this command can copy and paste. You can exit. Okay. Okay. So first create user controller like we have created, in which we will create login register and other user related functions. Okay, so this command we have given to create users controller. Okay, now we will create a route. We will create route for our register page. Okay, so what we are going to do? So create get route, get post route. Okay, get post route. Uh, or register in web.php file. Okay, so we can do that thing to close all. So I will create route. See, one thing I will tell you that we can also use any, if for both the cases, then we can also use any in place of get post. In place of this thing we can also use any, but in any along with get post, patch, put, another method will also come. So it's better if we will use match, get post, but we can also use any if the security is not that much big concern for us as we are doing testing with it. Okay, but you can later on modify as well. See here, we will do user controller that we have created with register function. Okay, so that we have created, and this is the route we have created. Okay, see, we have used any for get post. Okay, so I will return that for you. We can use any also in place of get post, but any will pick all methods. Okay, so after that, now we will create function. Create function now. Okay, mark it like this. Like this, you can mark. And create now. Okay, register function in users controller. Okay, and that will return to register page that we will create later on. So open users controller that we have created earlier, and here we are going to do public function register like this. Okay, simple. And here return view. Now we will create one users folder. In that users folder we will keep a registered blade file. Okay, so we just need to keep it here like this, and this is the thing. So now we will create users, create register blade file. Okay, so now create register dot blade dot php file under views folder. Under views, uh, uh, first you need to create users folder. Now create users folder under views folder, and then create register, then create register.blade.php file. Okay, so what I'm going to do, I'm going to create users folder here, because we need to make specific folders for whatever we are doing. Like the users folder we are creating for users, and if any other thing, then we can use other folder as well. Okay, so here you can use users folder, means everything comes in the users. And for some kind of settings, index and other pages, we are keeping at the root of views folder. And if any other type of specific kind of thing will come, that we will also make another folder for that. Okay, so here I'm going to create a register blade file, register.blade.php fine, and this one I'm going to start. Sorry, this one is not our file. We need to see this one is the auth file. We will not use this file. We will use our this file. We will use this file we have created. Okay. So now after creating this file, uh, uh, okay, after creating register blade file, we need to add front design to it, similar like we have done with index blade file. And then we will add basic register form. Okay, so we can do similar to index.php file like we have done in index. We can open index blade file, and yeah, so see here what we have done. This is the index blade file, and we can use this one for register as well, because these are the one and the same thing. Only part we need to update now, this one. This part we need to update, rest will remain the same. Okay, so what I'm going to copy this index blade file to register blade file, and this right part we will change. Okay, then we will open our design template, okay, that we are using, and we'll see. Yeah, I have downloaded many design templates, out of which one I like, this one, for our testing purpose. And here we can do use contactor. See this kind of form here, we can use our register form. Okay, and we will use this form. We will replace this form with our register form. Okay, so now we can open the contactors HTML here, HTML, and we'll see its right container part. See, this is the left and this is the right, and we can copy the right container part to our register blade file. But you can create of your own, and okay, but you can also use one, and then uh, see, we check. See here, register, that form has come, so we can now do a register form like this kind of thing. This is the register form this is the new user registration. Okay, and we can write like this, that we can take example of that one. For more details, I will sign out from the website. We can take you can take another website as well, dating website. So user, and yeah, this is for free by filling the form below. Free, yeah, and specify the same line. Okay, you can specify your own detail as well, whatever you like, and yeah, simple register is fine. Like this, yeah, and new user registration. Register for free by filling the form below. Register, and after that, what we can do, we can use our own fields, whatever we want. Okay, and the company field we don't require. Later on, name is required, name we can give, and we will see our table as well, user table. We will first add the basic information like name, email, password is fine. Okay, so we'll give here a simple name, small name we'll give, and then we'll also give email. Okay, like this, email, and this we can give as username. Okay, uh, we will pick it as username, as email. You can also say email as username. Okay, in placeholder as well, you can give in placeholder, and the here we can give password. And then list a lot. This sorry, leave this part. We'll copy the same thing again, and here we can keep password. Okay, we are not going to retype password at this time. We will make it simple. You see here, you can give choose a username here. Choose a username. Okay. Or fine, or we will give email only. Okay, we will give email only. We can check Facebook as well, and see what they are going to do. Find out. And sign out. Only fine. And we will see the first name, mobile number, and email. Okay, yeah, new password. Fine. We will give email address. Okay, email will act as a username. So we will give name, email, and password. Okay, name, email, and password. Here we can ask for a new password, or password is fine. See here that 10 years back we used to give like this two password fields and your email address, username. We will also put username as well as email address. Two things we ask, username as well. But now the time has changed. Now we only ask for one thing. We will not ask for separate username. Email will act as a username because email is always unique. Okay, means there can't be two email, means same email for the another person. That is not possible. So what we are going to do, we just need these three, and we are going to refresh see our form, and this information we can remove because we don't require at this time, and we can remove this one. Okay, and let's refresh this. New user register for free by filling out the form below. Okay, register name, email, and password, and then register now. Okay, so very basic form this is, and we are going to now register, and see here also type we will give as password. Okay, and see validation also we will also add later on. Okay, see here the password it will come like this. So now mm, uh, here we will also need to update our form. Okay, form action. Form action will go to URL register that we have created register route. Okay, so that will go to register like this, and also don't forget to add CSRS field. Okay, that we require for the token. So our form will be like this, and the rest everything is fine. And now now in next step uh, we will update a register function. Okay, now update register function to get to receive all user data and uh, post it into user table. Okay, and we will give post method to it. So let's do that thing. See, here we are going to do, and uh, see, we are going to do it in a post method. Request right like this is method post like this, and here we will get all the sorry first we need to here also write it like here so that we can get all the data. Now we can continue. Request like this. This one first we will check that data is coming fine or not in our function. So I'm going to Amit, and see it's already created. So we will give some other, but later on we will also check that our email is unique or not, and yeah, and also first we will ask for email, not name, and this one you can close, and name must be there after because that uh, is not required. Name is your wish. If you want to keep name, then you can keep. Otherwise, you can delete this. Only email and password is also fine. Okay. So because registration process must be very basic. Okay. So Here we can add any email like john@gmail.com. Okay, and any password 12345 6, and name is John. So we'll click on register. See, data is coming fine. Okay, so now we can continue. We're going to disable this thing, and now what we are going to use, we are going to add like user, then new user. Okay, like this. uh, and after that, what we will do, first we will get name. See what coming, name, password and email. See, for password and email also we will make it small. So everything you can make it small, you can make it big as well if your wish. Okay, I will go back and change this form again. john@gmail.com, 12345 6, John. Okay, yes, now register now again. See, email, password, name, fine. So name, data name will come like this, and user mail, data email this, then user password. No password, we need to decrypt the password, because hash is the form that we use, uh, so we need to decrypt the form. Okay, decrypt the password. See, we will use decrypt, that we require to save the password in hash form, that Laravel uses. So we will always use like this, and hash function we will add in header later on, and also we need to save user like this. And now see, now if we are going to use, and we need to add headers, without headers it will show us error. So after finishing this step, we need to add namespaces and use statements. Okay, add namespaces, okay, and statements, add statements, add headers, you can say. Okay, and uh, here you need to add some of the headers. See, if we will refresh it, it will keep on saying error, it will give error to us. So, see, user, we have not added model, so we will add model here. Okay, use add model, sorry, user. Okay, now see, yeah, the error, I do not have a default value. uh, okay, we will also add make sure that our ID is auto increment and primary. Is primary and auto increment, fine. Okay, we will add other headers as well. We need to add use auth, this one, add use session. Okay, and also add use app user. Okay, that we will use, and also add hash. We require to save uh, password. It will be like illuminate, same kind of thing, illuminate. Okay, then sport, then we will see tell us what to write. Yeah, this is packets. Okay. Yes, for packets. Is the same like this. Okay. As we need to add and along with add uh, redact as well. Okay. So a redact function we require if we want to redact right now. We don't require. We will add all these headers that are required at this time. So add below headers at top of users controller file. Uh, so we will add here. We're going to add like this. We want to refresh because there must be no issue related to this. Okay. No. Errors and I do not have a default value. Name, email, password, method. We will see where is the issue. We will check user table as well. Password, user. Okay. One thing more. We need to make strict false. Strict false. Laravel. We will make strict false Laravel and 1 minute, 25 minutes. Dot. And here we can make it false so that it will not give so many errors. Strict false we can give in file database.php. Now we'll check again. Yeah, now it's fine, and we will check whether the details have come or not. See, the detail has come, but ID is not generated, and that is the problem. That's why that error is coming to us. Admin is zero is fine because this is not for admin, but we will see why it is not generating the ID. Uh, okay, I'm going to delete this entry again. Start with uh, now I will try to add again what I will do true. Add again John gmail.com. We will do 5.6 and John. But we need to make sure that it will automatically pick ID. So we will see check once that it must be unique and check for env file also. You need to check all these steps, okay, to making sure that auto increment. See, auto increment field is empty. You need to add auto increment, okay. You need to see my video very carefully that what I am doing. You need to follow that same thing and if issue comes, there are lot many things comes in your mind, and you have to try all. You have to start with first, then second, then third, then fourth, then fifth, but your issue will surely get resolved, and you will come to know that where the issue has come, so that it will not come the next time. Okay, so always try like this, and even then issue will not resolve, then you can send me comment on YouTube. I will try my best to resolve that issue. So see here, auto increment field is not there, so we have added auto increment field that is giving us issue. So that's why I have used strict false for it, but now I again it makes it back to true, so that we will get more indication of the errors, and we can resolve those errors. So I am going to add once again our form. Okay, and I'm just checking that I just want to make it 2. Auto increment field is 2, will come fine, that is fine. So now I'm going to register one more time. Okay, now I'm going to register again, and register here. Sorry, it's not here. I'm going to close all, and here I'm going to register again. 1 minute, and open register blade file again, and here now I'm going to register again John, and 1 2 3 4 5 6, then John. Okay, simple. Then register now. Okay, that is done. We are not sending any message for now. We can just check in our table, see that entry comes with 2 ID, John name, john@gmail.com, password comes in hash, that is must be 1 2 3 6, admin we want 0. By default it is coming 0, because it is not we don't want to make this ID as admin. So now you have seen that entry has come to our table for the user. Okay, so now many of the things are must be clear to you, that what we are going to do with our dating series. We are started with the recent process, and we will make it better and better all the time. But starting with the basic things, then we will work on advanced as well. We are going to add captcha here as well, and we are going to check if this email already exists or not. That is really crucial for us. Okay, and we will work on this thing in our next video and much more. And then we will create another table, user detail table as well, for more details of the user. So step by step we will continue. So in next video we will work more in user registration. Okay, so stay tuned for next video. Okay, and thanks for watching. So as far as written formal thing is concerned, I will continue with it, so that it will be more clear to you always. So now it must be clear to you what we have done so far. Very simple things we have done. We have made a registered blade file, and then we have built basic form. Then we have entered the data and stored it here. Okay, some of the issues we have we have make it auto increment ID. Okay, and means those basic things we have done, and we will continue with more things in next video. Like I have told, that we will do make user specific email condition for that email must not exist, already not exist. Okay, so stay tuned for the next video, and I hope that you are enjoying. Okay, then have a nice time, have a nice Sunday, enjoy your time. Okay, then goodbye.